is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, so I'm going to attempt Vlogmas. And we know that always goes well for me, don't we? But I'm going to try it anyway. That's Duncan just coming in with my hot water bowl. I'm cold. Anyone else living off hot water bottles at the moment? I use them for pain and heat. Lovely and warm. Can't live without my hot water bottles, can I? Anyway, back to what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas, but I'm not going to guarantee I'm going to do every day. I'm going to try, see how it goes. So this week's mainly going to be about finishing off the toys for the neonatal children's unit, for premature babies and things. I have little Santa Claus finished. His pom-pom is actually just a sewn in section on it, because obviously you can't put actual pom-poms on children's toys, they're not safe. But I think he's cute. He's an adaptation from a knitted pattern that I just didn't like at all. There's still a few things I'm going to change to, and then I'm going to release a pattern that I copied these with the same shaping that the knitted pattern had, so that hopefully they'll look pretty similar to the toys the rest of the group are doing for them. But I don't like the shaping. I think Father Christmas should be a little more squat and a little more round around here, just on his belly area. So I'm going to rewrite the pattern from my personal toys with a larger belly, a little more rounded in places, that sort of thing. But otherwise I think he's quite cute and he's not too bad. I'm working on the snowman, so I've got this part of the body. Again, the pattern for that is sort of elongated body like this one. When I come to do these for myself, I'm going to do more rounded bodies for the snowman, because I like snowmen to have more rounded bodies. I have done one of the arms for it, and I'm working on the other arm. There we go. Working on the other one. I'm supposed to do the arms first, because I actually attached them onto the body. I crochet them in so they don't need to be sewn as separate. It makes them more secure. But because I'm a bit of a twit, I always forget to do the arms first. So I always get halfway through the body and then remember I have to do the arms. So I work from the opposite end of the ball to create the arms, so that I can then add them in and finish the body. One day I might remember to do the arms first, but I'm not holding my breath because we all know what I'm like. So getting them done, then there'll be Alf and a reindeer minimum to go with it. Duncan has given me a hand. He started on a reindeer last night for me. His tension's much tighter than mine at the moment, so his is going to be much smaller, so we're just going to have to see how that turns out, in case it's too small, but hopefully it won't be. And then hopefully a Mrs. Claus. I don't know what it is if I can show you the top without showing you the pattern. This was what I'm basing them off of. Hopefully you saw that. I can't see when I put it in front. And you know, they're not bad patterns. As I said before, these are copies of the pattern that was scanned to me. I was going to buy the actual pattern because I don't like using stuff that I haven't paid for, even if it's for charity work. But to be honest, I disliked the way this was done so much that I changed and wrote my own instead. Simply because I don't think it's a good idea to use beads for eyes on a child's toy, and to have the little things like the little bow as a separate piece and seaming up everywhere on such a small toy. The seams won't be strong enough. They're not going to be as secure as working in the round, and so I changed quite a lot. So hopefully I'll have this one done today and get started on the owl. It depends on how I'm doing. I'm crocheting a lot slower at the moment because my head's been pretty bad. But I'm gonna go. This is supposed to be a little fun vlog and I'm already 6 minutes in. So I may end up cutting a bunch of the rambling out. I don't know. We'll see. But I will see you all later. You should take care. Bye. Hey, hi all. So a little later than planned. It's actually about 5 to 6 in the evening. So it's not very late. But I plan on filming working into about 5:30. Then filming the end of my catch-up, my vlog. Editing that and getting that up, and then anything I make after that will go in the morning of the next vlog. I didn't get as much done as I'd hoped today. My hands are hurting. As I said earlier, I'm very slow at making things right now, but I have got the bulk of the snowman done now. I will do his legs. They won't take very long. His legs are basically versions of his arms, so it's just 10 stitches for 22 rows. Plus the cast on and cast off edge, you know. And I'll make him a little bobble hat. Again, his hat will basically be the same pattern as Santa Claus, but without the big long, it'll cut off about there now. There's a little bobble there. So, but they're coming along. Getting there, aren't they? So I'll have that finished hopefully tonight. I'm about to go and get bathed, a little bit of a headache. But when I get out, I plan on doing his hat, his legs, and a little scarf for him. So he will hopefully be finished by tomorrow morning's vlog. But if not, he'll definitely be finished at some point during the morning tomorrow, providing I don't end up with a full-blown migraine and end up not getting up until late, which hopefully won't happen, touch wood. So that's actually all I've got done today. I know these vlogs are probably going to be quite boring because that's, you know, I don't have much of a life. But at least you can see the toys progress each day, hopefully. There will be time I have to take out for study and any other bits and bobs that you have to do for life, you know. I'm hoping to get some yarn dyed this week, but it depends on how much study I get done, how fast I get through these toys, which at this rate is not fast enough. So I might have to dye next week, but there definitely will be some yarn dyeing in these vlogs. And I've had an email today to say my next set of cones of yarn are coming, so there'll be some vlogs of me scaling those cones up, I expect, and then dyeing those and all that sort of stuff. So I'll probably do one vlog will probably be me unboxing those. There's only 2 cones, so there's no point doing like an entire haul video, but one of the days of vlogs will probably have that in. And I'll probably just end up rambling a lot, you know me. But I figured it's just a little bit of fun to chat with you all again, because it's been a long time since I've had any good old chats with you and just sat down and rambled and checked in on how you're all doing. And let's face it, right now we could all do with someone to chat to. And I know I can't have a full-on conversation with you, but we can have a conversation down in the comments. Though if you want to chat in my group, you can. I'm on Facebook is Sonia Jones YouTube group. I can't remember the name of my own group. That's shocking. Should we have a look? This is what my head has got me in at the moment. I don't remember the names. It's because I have several different groups depending on. So the group for this channel is Sonia Jones Arts and Crafts group. So you could find me on that on Facebook. Instagram, I am known as Alicorn Gifts now. Ooh. On Twitter, I'm just Sonia Jones, I think. I'm under a few different names now, and that's me condensed down. I am on the Nextdoor site. I don't know if people know about that one. It's another type of social media site, but you only see the people in your immediate vicinity. And I have a group on there, as well as a group on Facebook for a craft group that's local. Those of you who have been around a while remember I used to do a physical craft group up at the pub in the evenings during the early last year and the summer of last year. We stopped coming close to Christmas. I think we stopped in November or something. And then of course I never got started up again. I'm now doing a Zoom version of that. I do a Zoom call on Thursday afternoons, and we're trying to sort out an evening one, so I'll have to keep track of that as well. And I'm terrible at keeping track on groups, you know what I'm like. But I do respond to everything I see, so if I haven't responded to something, it's because I've not seen it. So feel free to tag me in something if you have asked me a question or something and I've not seen it. Yeah, that's about it. I will see you all tomorrow. You have a good evening, and I hope you enjoy the 1st of December. You will take care. Bye.